Mr. Amol. Mr. Amol in the room. Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to the stream. So let's do our daily analysis. NYSE session is opening in 4 minutes. So the daily is bullish today, and let's see if we can have, so maybe the daily can reach these levels, or even the week fill, retest the high. We made a high, we found support here. If daily broke this high, I guess we can reach the daily high. Hello, Mr. Amol. And Shakil in the room. So yeah, on H4, on H4 we found a support here. So the next level is up here, right? So currently price is going to this area. I guess above here we have a nice clean range for price to push up for daily wick fill. And on 1 hour we have this resistance, and we just broke above this minor resistance on 1 hour. So right now we are in this range. Above this range is a nice buys within this clean range, 100 pip. So let's take a look at this on 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, yeah, this is a daily level. Interesting. I think this is the area price could trade to this morning. And at this point we cannot do anything. We just broke above. Oh, was this a trade here? Man, I guess I missed this trade. Holy, this was a trade here. I missed it. Yeah, I missed it. We wicked down and we broke this high. And look at this. 24 pip right now. Crazy. Crazy. Cannot close with no top wick. Yeah. Did anyone catch this trade? Shakil Amal? No?
No.
Yeah, it was a nice trade. I missed. So let's see if we can have a break above this area. Maybe we can catch something.
I didn't like this area.
You didn't like it?
Didn't like this area because of this consolidation.
Yeah, but you know, volume. We broke above this minor consolidation with volume. So I was anticipating price to continue to the next resistance. So this happened here, but I guess it's fine.
NYSE is gonna push the price further up.
Yeah. I'm almost tempted to take a buy here, but it's risky. What if price retrace more? because I believe that, yeah, we already reached. We need to break and close above this area, price to push up in this area. I missed my trade. What can we do?
Now if the gold breaks 3655 is gonna shoot.
Sorry?
I'm saying if the gold breaks the 3655 barrier,
365, 365.
3655.
Oh, 3655. Okay, yeah, if we can break this area, it will be great. Push up.
Yeah, it will fly. And there will be no entry.
It makes sense. Yeah, we broke above here, and
Push.
I think gold can reach this area today. This is great. This was the entry. Hopefully it can give us another entry. I hope so, because the on the daily candle we haven't got any big move yet, right? Daily started here. So what happened? London session was just ranging, boom 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 boom, and we broke out of the range. I think NYSE will push gold to the daily level. Look at London session, nothing.
So on Wednesday there is a FOMC.
Wednesday? Today? This week?
This week, yes, on Wednesday, I think.
Oh, this week it looks like...
yes, on Wednesday. There is a federal funds rate.
Probably it's going to take the top and come back down for NFP to push price down.
No, this week is not NFP. It's FOMC.
Oh, FOMC. Yeah, for FOMC to push price down. I think we're gonna trade FOMC. Right, Amal? No? You see, the daily is breaking the high here. If the daily broke this high, I think we can have this weak fill. It broke the low and breaking the high. We know that, right? Maybe we can take some risky maneuver here. You know, the kind of trade Raja used to take at the break. Look at this. At the break of this high.
You can take it, but with the smaller lot size.
Yeah, moderate lot size. Moderate lot size. At the stop loss is too big. At this point, you see we are breaking. The 5-minute candle just closed, and we are breaking. I guess we can have stop loss on 5 minutes. Yeah, right here. Right here, I think something can happen. Let's just try that with one lot. Just to test out. One lot is nothing. The idea. Just to test out the idea. Did it broke? Yeah, it broke. I think it's possible for this to fly. Yeah, like Raja used to do, keeping the stop loss below the zone.
So you took a buy here, right?
Yeah, but with
Or you
very small lot size. My total risk is $200, and let's see.
it's gonna take your stop loss. Stop loss is way too small.
It what?
Stop loss is way too small. Stop loss is small.
Yeah, small stop loss. It is below the zone here. I'm not expecting it to come back down. Yeah, you see it went in. I'm expecting it to just have a big push on the upside. You see this 5 pips at this point. I'm not taking more than 10 pips drawdown. If it doesn't push up quickly, the idea is not good anymore. Ten pips. Look at this. This is exactly what I exactly what I said.
Good one.
Exactly what I was talking about. 25 pips on the Monday. Wow, still pushing up. Yeah, sometimes it's good to test out these ideas. What if you are wow, this is great. Everything was here. Yeah, one lot 25 pips. Wow, I think it's still going up. What was my entry was here, and now it's up 37 pips. Wow. Hi, Queen of Forex. I think this is a trade of the day, but the first entry was here. I missed that, and look at how price is moving. It's reaching the target. This was the entry base of our session. I missed that entry. Still pushing up. Crazy. This is beautiful. It's reaching the target. Very advanced. Wow, this is a target, but I wasn't expecting it to just continue straight to the target. I knew there will be a big push, but I thought it would be a big push, retrace, and then go. I wasn't expecting it to go straight. Look at this, from here going straight. This is like 100 pip on a Monday. I missed my entry here. Great. I would have probably secured here if I was in a trade from here. I would have secured at the top at 40 pip because it's Monday, obviously. But it's beautiful to know that from the
Look at the H4. Look
bigger,
at the size of the H4.
sorry,
H4 level. Damn, it's gone crazy.
yeah,
This one was the big one. No, this one is the big one.
yeah.
Is this Monday?
Today,
Is it Monday?
this
Check.
is
This Monday?
this is
This one?
great.
Which
Yeah.
day is this?
Sorry,
Which day is this?
this is
I think
today,
which
Monday.
no, this one. This one.
Yeah, Asian
Yes, this
session.
This one was Monday.
Asian session today.
It was Friday. It was
Oh
Friday.
no, Friday.
Right?
Okay, yeah. This was
This
Asian
one was
session.
Friday.
Yeah,
No,
Friday.
this is Monday.
So what is the correlation?
Nothing.
Okay, you're just looking at the size of the candle.
Yes. Nothing.
Yeah, I expected it to reach here based off the daily move. So this is great. I think catching the daily move. We miss the entry, man. Daily move, test the high. Yeah, 9 a.m. candle. It was just perfect. Price should reach this target here. Man. I was looking at this from my phone, and from my phone it was not clear. I measured the distance. I measured like 40 pips. But on the computer, things are more clear here. Measured 28 pips. It was a valid trade. But when I looked at on my phone before I come to the chart, I said, no, there is no trade. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute candle to close. Man, that's how I missed. So the lesson here is always sit on your desk on the computer and watch the charts. And when your time of trading is here, don't do anything else. Just focus on the chart. That's the lesson. $120 pip move. Crazy. This only move can make you pass your challenge. You just need to wait for them. One move can make you pass your challenge. 120 pips.
Yes, so basically if you had taken the 5 lots trade, it would have given you how much?
Yeah, 5 lot, this would have been 5%, 6%, 6%. But if I had taken the 8 lot, I would have been up now 10%.
So you need to make 10%, right?
Sorry?
You need to make 10%?
Yeah, 10%.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm already up 1.7. So if this was my 8 lot running till here, I would have been in the money now. I will have passed the challenge right now. But what I'm trying to do is to secure profit Monday and Tuesday, but Wednesday and Thursday, maybe Friday, to let it run. So usually Mondays, it's just better to secure profit, to give yourself some buffer and let the trade run the rest of the week. So in other terms, because today is Monday, I wouldn't have been able to let it run till here. Probably I would have secured.
This is the fourth week candle pushing up.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, fifth candle. Fifth bullish weekly candle.
Yeah, I don't know if because the weekly candle is losing volume now. I don't know if it's gonna continue to do that. Also, it's already overextended, so we need to see what will be. There is a higher probability for retracement now. Look at this flash up bar, 1 2 3. So $4,000.
Yeah, it's going there.
That's going where?
Gold is going to 4,000.
Ah, gold is going to 4,000. How do you know that?
I am magician.
Sorry?
Magician.
No need to be magician. You can say that gold will surely go to 4,000, but you cannot say when. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Because gold supposedly go up, and also with the tension we have right now in the world, of course gold will go to 4,000, but we don't know when. So that's the problem. That's the equation to solve. Because let's say you are even you don't even care, right? You have a swing trading account or something like that. You just need to close your eyes and buy gold and let it run. That's it. If at the beginning of the year you had bought gold, this is February. You see gold was trading at 2,800. You bought gold here and look where gold is right now. Gold is up 25% from the beginning of the year. So January was even here, down here, January. So 5th of January, let's say you wait for a break above this area, and on this candle you bought gold from here. This is 30% move on gold, and 8,900 pips. So what is that?
Funding pips is giving 20% off today.
Sorry?
Funding pips.
Funding pips?
Yes, it's giving 20% off today on their challenges.
So let's say you took a 100k account, you place a one lot here. So one lot here, I think you need 100 pips to lose 1%, I guess. You have your stop loss here. So this is what is
maybe risking 2%, maybe risking 2%, placing the stop loss on a structure low.
So this is 900 pips. Low. Yeah, this is 900 pips.
Better stop loss would be here, around here, a structure low, on a structure low.
Structure low?
Yes.
Yeah, but it will have take a lot of time just to, to make one to. I can say below the weekly low here, after the break of this structure, take your buy here and have your stop loss here. Maybe 800 pips stop loss. But even that, 10%, yeah. Right now you will have passed the challenge 10%. So after almost 1 year, man. And we haven't count the swap fees in it. So this is not a good
And
business.
and the patience you require for this is just immense.
It's just better if you are taking this as some sort of investment. You can put a lot of money and just let it go. At least your investment will be up 25-30%. So you just buy it with no stop loss. You don't use too much of leverage, and you let it go. Maybe 0.5 lot on a 100k account, or even 0.1 lot. You can still make a lot of money. On 0.1, so yeah, 100 pp is $100. Let's say 1000 pp is $1000. So you will be up 8000, 9000 now. If you had taken 0.1 lot, you will be up $9000 now after 1 years. 9000. So and the risk is low. So if your risk is here, let's say, yeah, 2000 is your risk. Yeah, 2000 is your risk. Or even here, 800 is your risk, and you let it go. But this is not a very good business. Something interesting though is doing this on the daily candle. And right today, spotted
What if
the daily move.
what if the M30 candle close below 3655? Will that be counted as a breakout?
Where?
If the candle M30 candle, look at the M30 candle.
30-minute candle?
Yes, 30 minutes. If this candle closes below 3655, will that be counted as a breakout?
If it closed below this level?
Yes.
No, that cannot be a fake out. We need this candle to close above first and the next candle to close below. That will be a fake out. But if it closed above here, we just broke above this area. So we have 5 minutes left. I guess this is the area here, and this is a target. It came very close to the target.
Retest and continuation.
Yeah, if we are lucky, maybe the next candle can just from here just go hit the target, and basically there will be nothing to do today. The entry was here. If you missed this entry, man, but it's fine. I think that for this not to happen again, I need to focus on my trading session.
How high did you go on this account?
7%.
What was the highest?
7%.
7%?
Yeah.
Oh man, damn crazy. crazy. But good discipline that you have bring that account back from drawdown. And
yeah.
1.7%.
And the lowest it went was 3%. The lowest.
Nice.
Minus 3%. The lowest.
Inshallah, before the end of this year, inshallah.
Inshallah. It tested me. This account tested me on. But I think I understand some of my mistakes. It was a good challenge.
So it's basically this account has basically become your teacher.
Yeah, this has it was a teacher for me this year. It taught me a lot. So the thing I'm proud of with this account is the discipline. The discipline was not perfect, but in managing drawdown, that was a big positive thing. So the thing to improve and I couldn't resolve myself to just focus on that at the beginning of the challenge. But I guess I need to go through these swings up and downs to realize how important it is to focus on a really simple stuff. Focus on simple stuff that you understand and only execute on that. Let go away the advanced things and just focus on simple setups. Sometimes it looks like I have the arts to complicate things, so that's something I need to solve. Just be patient and wait for simple stuff that you understand. Execute on that. Even if you have to sit on your hand for 1 week with no trade, it's better. If I had done that from the beginning of this challenge, I will probably be right now withdrawing money from this account. We will see the next couple of months how it goes. You can see even last week I started the week well. So looking at last week, came with the right mindset, focusing on simple stuff. But what happened is, first of all, I have two problems recently: a focus problem and overcomplicating things. So I knew that I missed my trade here, but I still came here to take a trade here while we are below this resistance, right? Shouldn't have taken a trade here. It doesn't make sense at all.
Yes, this was a very small range.
Yeah.
You took a buy there, right? You took a buy there,
I
right?
took a buy here. So
Yes.
I took a small loss on this and then came here to take another loss. So very bad business.
Maybe a better idea would have been to wait for the breakout here and then.
Yeah, for the break of this high, but the trade already happened here. I shouldn't even be looking at trade at this time. And also it was 12 p.m. So why looking for trade when this move already happened? So I was doing the right thing, following the trade all through this area. But even right here, I took a trade where my stop loss was like, look at this, 51 pips. So these were all because I tried to complicate things, try to enter complicated entries and stuff like that. But if I had just wait for price to, you see, we broke above this zone here, then we had no entry. Price retested the zone and continued up. So on this candle, we didn't have any entry. On this candle, we went up and broke this high. This is where I should have looked for an entry, and price went up. And look what happened at this area. 15 minutes broke the high. I had a nice stop loss, 19 pips, and price went up 78 pips. I just had to wait for that. But I came here, complicate things and stuff like that. And also came here to take another trade. These are all complicated things, right? So took losses on that day. And okay, the next day was good. Stay disciplined. So avoided a bad loss on this day. And the next day kept the same discipline and catch a good trade right here. This was perfect trade. So then this day no, I didn't took a trade here. It was a ranging day, Thursday. ranging day. And Friday, what happened? So at 9 a.m., I went out. Instead of focusing on the chart, I went out and I missed this trade. So look at how the week went. If I had avoided this bad loss and just waited to enter here, okay, good profit. Let's even say I missed the trade here. So only with these two trades, the one I took here and the one I would have probably take here on Friday if I was at the chart, 50 pips here, and this one I secured at 30 or 40 pips, I don't know. Yeah, I secured at 40 pips. No, not 40, 35 pips. Yeah, 35 pips, 35 pips plus 50 pips, 80 pips for the week on 8 lot. This is 7%, maybe. So at least I will have been up 7%. But what was the problem? Just took complicated trades and I wasn't respecting my trading session, doing other stuff when it is a trading session. So that exposes you to miss your trade. And the same thing happened today. So I missed the entry here. So these are all learnings I'm having from this account. Very important to respect your trading time and focus on the chart. So we closed above, but at this point I will rather wait for a new structure to form on 30 minutes before even looking to take another trade. Price moved a lot, rejected, and yeah, there is two things. Either this candle will just continue to reach the target or will be consolidating here for the rest of the day, and that will be it. But to look for a trade here, you need to wait for a new structure. So the beauty in my session is something I have learned. You have only one good opportunity during the day. Very rarely you will have two opportunities. So you know that if you miss the trade of the day, you know that you should not look at the chart anymore, because there won't be anything greater than that. So that also helps you with the discipline. One potential good trade every day. If you miss it, and for the week, you have it vary 2 to 3 clean trade every week.
Yes, less the better.
Sorry?
Less is better.
Yeah. So you know that you should, if you are taking more than 3, 4, 5, 6 trade, you are over trading. So if you are taking 2, 3 trade a day, you are over trading. So the best is 3 clean trade every week. You don't need more. Where is Amol? Amol is not talking. Amol, any trade taken today? Queen of Forex, any trade today? And how is your account going? The Queen of Forex.
So if it does the fake out, will you be willing to take a sell? What do you say?
I will be cautious taking another trade today. I don't think I will take another trade. It won't be a quality trade if I take another trade.
Yes, because the overall trend is bullish.
Yeah. The trade
Even
already
for
happened. This was the entry here today.
yes, also the
Correct.
session is bullish. Trend is bullish, session is bullish, news are negative, F1C after one day. So everything is saying gold should be picking up.
So if it does a fake out here, for me, what I will do, I'm not gonna take that fake out. I will wait for price to come back down, create a new support here to go back. But I will be willing to take a fake out only if we close below this zone, right? So now the trend is bullish. We made a high. If you want to take a trade, wait for a support to form here and then take a buy, or support form, support break to take this counter trend trade, or wait for the fake out to trade this clean range. But right now it's 10 a.m. I don't think you're gonna see that clean setup in our session anymore. You will probably have to wait. So that's what I will do if I want to take another trade.
So basically no trades for today.
Yeah, no trade. And also I'm gonna head off right now because yeah, there is no need to.
So when do you close charts after a Zoom meeting?
If I take a trade, if I already took a trade, I don't watch the chart anymore, right? I will just close the chart and come back the next day. I will open the chart again only the next morning, not opening the chart. And if I haven't took any trade, I will wait till 11:30 to see if there is a setup after the live. If there is no setup after 11:30, max 12, because sometimes you can have the session will range and at 12 you will have the confirmation candle to take a trade. On those scenarios, I may be willing to take the trade. But if the move already happened and I'm waiting for a new trade at 11:30, if nothing show up, I will just close the charts and be done for the day. And if I took a loss before the live end or even after the live end, if I take a loss, I'm done for the day. So that's it. Simple. So basically I'm looking to take one trade a day. If I'm taking a second trade, maybe I had a break-even trade in the first trade. The entry was probably a little bit earlier, and I will give it a second chance, or I lose very little on the first trade. I manage risk. I enter earlier. I manage risk. I lose very little. So maybe I will take a second trade. But overall, I'm not taking more than 2 trades a day, and I'm not willing to take more than 2% risk 2% loss a day in a single day. On average, I just lose 1%, 1.5% on a losing day. That's it.
Nice.
That's very important. I think that's one key component in my survival. Even though sometimes I lose, but I'm surviving because of that discipline. So not taking big drawdown because of that discipline. It happened to me in this account to take 4% loss, but still my overall drawdown is not more than 3%. One day I was, it was a Friday. I took a very big risk. I thought price will move, but took a 4% loss. That's the only big loss I took in this trade, in this account. And I just came back from that drawdown.
This is basically the game of survival. So you have to survive.
Yeah, I'm playing the survival. It's getting difficult for the market to kill me right now. Before it was too easy for him to kill me, but now it's getting tough for him to kill me.
Yes.
So I'm stuck at break-even this year.
Stuck at break-even in the account-wise, not in the learning-wise.
In the what?
Learning-wise, you have learned a lot, I think.
Yeah.
So basically, it is a win-win here. You are at break-even. Maybe at the end of the year, you maybe pass this account, maybe pass the phase 1.
Yeah, inshallah.
Inshallah.
I need even more discipline.
Yes.
Yeah, so thanks guys for joining, and see you for the next live Wednesday. Be safe and don't lose a lot.
FOMC day.
Oh, FOMC day. Yeah, I haven't even watched the
FOMC day.
calendar today. X Factory. So what is this week? So Wednesday we have nothing. Okay, tomorrow there is nothing. Okay, clean day. And Wednesday the card. Overnight rate on card. This is a news you can trade on card. It is like the CPI on and FOMC. Yeah, I don't know, man. News trading. I'm not doing news trading in this account, so I think I'm gonna pass it. And 7 a.m. Nothing else for the rest of the week, which is great. So yeah, let's wait. We'll have a good trade tomorrow, inshallah. See you guys and stay safe.